video we're going to learn about computer shortcuts from Ctrl A to Ctrl Z. And with me here I have two documents. This is where I will be typing the shortcut, and I have this document where I will be doing the demonstration from. If you're new to the channel, please I request you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment the video and also share. So without wasting time, let's get started into the video. The first shortcut is Ctrl A, Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A means select all. You select all the document, all the content. Let's go to the other document and demonstrate. When you press Ctrl A to this document, it selects all. It doesn't matter whether you have 100 pages, it selects all those pages, all that content which is in those pages. The next one is Ctrl plus B. Ctrl plus B is equal to bold. You bold. Let's go and demonstrate it. For you to bold your content, you first highlight the content which you want to bold. For example, you want to bold this one. Then press Ctrl B at the same time. Now bold. It makes it dark. Next one is Ctrl plus C. This one copies, means copy. For example, if you want to copy a text, let's take for example this one. You highlight the text which you want to copy. Then you press Ctrl C. It has copied to the clipboard. Then Ctrl plus D is equal to, this is a shortcut you use for changing the font, for changing the font size, you can change the font type. Let's go to the document and demonstrate. When in the document, press Ctrl D. Ctrl D, this is what I told you. This is where you'll change the font. You change the heading, the font, the body. Then here the italic, this is the font style or the type. Then this is the font size. You change, let's take for example, we want italic, then you make it 14. Then you enter, click OK. So it has made this italic, as you can see where the cursor was, it has made this italic. Next shortcut is Ctrl E. Ctrl plus E. The shortcut aligns content. To the center. We go to the document and demonstrate. Let's align this. You first highlight what you want to align. Then press Ctrl E at the same time. It comes to the center of the document. Next is Ctrl F. Ctrl F is to find. Let's go to the document. We press Ctrl F at the same time. So here it finds. You search for something you want to. to search for. Let's search for Lucida. You can see it is already here. Next shortcut, which is 7, is Ctrl G. Ctrl plus G is equal to go to. Go to. Let's go to the document. Let's put the cursor there. When you press Ctrl G at the same time, then look, for example, look at here. Enter page number. But here they've given you a hint. Enter plus and negative to move relative to the current location. Example, +4 will move forward 4 items. So this is the page. In case the page is well, you have a large content, number of pages, then you move to, like now when you press +5, it will mean that it will go to the 5th page. But if you put a line, then when you press here plus which line are we? And this line, but let's move maybe 2 steps ahead. You see, it has moved 2 steps ahead of that. We're here, you see, but it has moved up to here. So that's how it does. That's go to Ctrl G. Next one is Ctrl I. G H I G, yeah, H. Ctrl H. Ctrl H. Ctrl H is to replace. Where are we? Is to replace. Is to replace. So when you come to Ctrl H, come to the document and press Ctrl H at the same time, it will replace. For example, we want to replace Lucida. Where's our Lucida? I want to replace this word Lucida. Replace with italic. Then say you can intend to replace one by one, or you replace all, meaning it will search the document, the word Lucida in all the content, then it replaces with the word italic. Let's try to replace all. It's done, meaning we have made one replacement. It's only one replacement of Lucida, which is now this one. This one. The next one is Ctrl H I, Ctrl H, then Ctrl H I now. Ctrl I means italic. Italic is a font style. I mean, is the, if you want to make your content to bend, that's how you use, like this. This is the I, means italic. But for you to achieve that, you just press Ctrl I using a shortcut, or you can highlight all of it and press Ctrl I. You see your content is now bending, but we don't want to bend all of it because I want to use for other purposes. That's Ctrl I. Next one is Ctrl J. Ctrl J. Ctrl J is to justify your content. To justify your content, are you seeing here? I want you guys to see this group. There's this is align left, this is align center, align right, and align where? Align and justify. Justify does that, distribute your text evenly between the margins. Justify the text gives your document clean, crisp, edges so that it looks more published. Let's check on this. So it just justifies that way. When you see here, when you press justify, it justifies your content. Next one is Ctrl J. I mean Ctrl K. Ctrl K is for hyperlink. Hyperlinking. Let's go and check on it. When you press Ctrl K at the same time, here you can link to. See, you link to. Then here you add your address. You can see if you want to add this address, you add this address. Let's take, for example, you want to link this text. When you press Ctrl K, you put here your link. When you put the link, then here will change also the link. So when someone clicks on this word, someone will be taken to that link direct. Number 12 is Control L. Control L. It's align left. It's align your text left. Remember last time we aligned it to center. There's Control E, which was aligned to content to the center. But now this one's Control L is to align the content to the left. Let's check on this. Let's check on this, which will align to the center, but now we want it to align to the left this side. So press Control L. It comes to the left. Next one is now RM. Control M plus M. This one works in PowerPoint. That is creating a new slide. Creates new slide. Creates a new slide. Then in Word, it does moves the content relatively from the left. It acts as like a tab key. As you can see, you click on a when you put a cursor here or in front of the text you want to move, then you press Ctrl M. It acts as a tab key. It moves at your content one step relatively from the left. It gives you. Then the next one is, let's say, moves content to the right, from the left to the right. Ctrl N plus N means new page. It helps you to create a new page. For example, if you want to create a new page from here, just press Ctrl N. Already created. The new page is already created. New document. Ctrl O plus O means open. If you want to open your document, the document which is maybe located in some drive, so you can just press Ctrl O. It prompts you to open where that document is. For example, you want to browse, then maybe let's open which document here. I have already that one. Let me go to where can I have the document? No, it's not there. Let's open this. Open that. You see, we've already opened this. Ctrl O, using Ctrl O shortcut. Close that. Our next shortcut is Ctrl P. Ctrl P does the printing. When you press Ctrl P at the same time, it enables you to print your work. So Ctrl P, Ctrl plus P, it's a print. For example, if you wanted to print this document, we just press Ctrl P. So it gives us the print preview of the document. Next one is Ctrl plus Q. Ctrl plus Q is in a quiet mode. Let's go to the document and demonstrate Ctrl Q. So this is what you will do in your setup, in your document. Next one is Ctrl R. Ctrl plus R is got to align right. Remember last time we had align left, align center, and align now right. If you wanted to align this text to the right, we just we press Ctrl R. It comes extreme right. Ctrl S, RS, yeah. Ctrl S is to save your document. If you wanted to save this doc, we just press Ctrl S at the same time. So it prompts us to save our document. I don't want to save this at this time. Ctrl T. Ctrl plus T helps you to move to a new tab. And this one mostly works in web browsing. When you're maybe on a browser, you just press Ctrl T if you want to create a new tab. But for this, on this Word document, we are going to look at this ruler icon. So it's going to move when I press Ctrl T. When I press Ctrl T, it moves to a new tab. So it moves. Oh, I have to use this document. Ctrl T, as you can see, it keeps moving. Look at the ruler. It's here. It's here. Ctrl T, Ctrl T, Ctrl T. It moves to a new tab. Ctrl U, Ctrl plus U. This one underline your text, your content. Underlines your content. Let's go this way. If you wanted to maybe underline this text, you just press Ctrl U. You first highlight the text which you want to underline, then you press Ctrl U. It has underlined. The two we have Ctrl V. Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V is to paste. Remember, if you maybe want to copy your document, I mean your copy the content, then you want to paste it somewhere. This is the shortcut you're going to use, Ctrl V. Let's take for example, let's first undo that. Let's copy this, italic. Let's copy italic, Ctrl C. Remember I told you this, it's Ctrl C. Then let's paste it in front here. If you want paste it here. To make a duplication, you press Ctrl V. You have already duplicated that work. So next one is Ctrl X W. Ctrl W. Ctrl plus W closes what? The window. Closes the window. Computer window. Okay, the window, yeah. Let's go this way and demonstrate this. For us to maybe when you want to close this document, we just press Ctrl W. You see now, because now we have not made some changes in this document, so we can't first of all close it. We have made some changes, so we can't first close it because I have some new changes. So you see the prompt that want to save your changes to good fonts. If you click don't save recent copy, the recent copy of files will be temporarily available. So if I press Ctrl don't save, then it will close what? Still the document. Ctrl X W X. Ctrl X is to cut. So cut your text. Cut content. Let's take for example, we want to cut informal Roman. You press Ctrl X. It has removed that. And maybe if you want to go to paste that content which you have cut, you just come here maybe and you also paste it there. So it comes. The next one is Ctrl Y. Ctrl plus Y is to redo. It's a redo. Redo the previous changes. Let's go this way and check. If you now wanted our informal Roman to be where it was last time, then we shall press Ctrl. No, Ctrl Y. It's a redo. The other one's Ctrl Z. Ctrl Y it. Let's take, for example, if we have taken the informal Roman up. Now we want to bring this informal Roman down here to where we pasted it. We shall press the Ctrl Y, which is a redo. A redo. It carries forward. It carries changes forward. Then Ctrl Z and undo. Ctrl Z and meaning goes previous changes. This one not previous, actually it's it's a forward changes. So let's go and check on the Ctrl Z. So this is our informal Roman, but now we want to go back to the previous changes. We want to bring the informal Roman here. So press Ctrl Z, then again Ctrl Z, and again Ctrl Z. It just come to where it was. So again, when you press Ctrl Z, it takes you to the previous changes like that. Yes, that's what I had for you for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share the video and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.